All right, what's up, guys? I haven't made a video in a long time. Weather's getting good, so thought I'd make some random video about something about the car. I'm gonna be polishing my exhaust. Well, not perfectly, just cleaning it, simply because it looks really crusty from when I first got it, so let's do that. Okay, so I've never done this before, but I think all you need is literally any aluminum polish or metal polish, chrome polish, whatever. You need microfiber towels, steel wool, and I'm gonna use my wheel cleaner to clean my exhaust because I think it'll work with, like, you know, soot and stuff like that. But I'm still gonna wash it before I do that. So yeah, I'll try that out real quick. All right, so I cleaned it with soap and water really quickly, just rinsed it down. Now I'm just like applying like light wheel cleaner to my hand and on the tip, just rubbing it, just agitating it with my hand, and I'm gonna use the steel wool to agitate it even more. And then after that, I think I should be good. I'm gonna wipe it off once, see how it looks, and then probably just go polish, but I don't know, I'll see. All right, now I'm gonna use the steel wool. I guess a single pad's fine. I don't think I have to rip it up or anything, so. All right, so I dried it off. It's looking cleaner already, but it looks like scratchy. So I'm gonna get another pad of the steel wool, put the polish on it, and start working it in. All right, I've got a new angle going because that last one was, I mean, this is not as good, but I'm working with limited options right now. But okay, so once basically I just cleaned it up using steel wool, wheel cleaner, and soap and water. But I'm gonna run it down again with a new fresh pad of steel wool and the polish now. So I'm gonna, you know, press the polish on here, and then just honestly, for like what, 10-12 bucks, it's not bad. I mean, it's not perfect, like you can still see like swirl marks and stuff like that, but from afar it looks good. So that's all that matters, to be honest. No one's inspecting my exhaust. I bet this is how it's looking. Not bad. I mean, you see those scratch marks there, but honestly, this exhaust is gonna get banged up anyways. Obviously not the top end, but as you can see, I don't know if you could tell, but it's starting to scrape right there. So I didn't really care about the rear. You can see right there, I just did from the middle point onwards, and from afar it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna just let this settle in, and then yeah. I went ahead and polished it a second time to try and get rid of those big scratches, but I don't think it'll come off. I might have to use sandpaper in the future. I'm not doing all that. So this is what it's looking like right now. Second time around, it does look a little bit better. There's obviously like the little dust from the microfiber towel, whatever. It's gonna burn off. It's not a big deal, but it doesn't look bad. I mean, it's pretty good. Great from far, so that's all that matters. Not sure if I was supposed to wait for the like polish to, I guess, settle or something, whatever, before starting the car, but it's not a big deal. It's whatever. I'll do it again if it's bad. But yeah, easy job. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but we'll figure it out. All right, guys, random cut in the video. I know I kind of ended it abruptly, but we're in the Capitol right now recording. We're just aimlessly driving. I don't know what we're doing at all, but like I really don't understand what I'm doing here. But I did get some nice shots for my TikTok. I'm about to record an intro. But yeah, so that's pretty much the case. My car is kind of dirty. It's like weird water stains, something. I don't know, but yeah. What's that, dude?
I'm recording this. I'm not recording. I'm not recording. You start taking.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
Wait, go to like your modules.
You
You have time. Go to your assignments.
nothing.
Go to
I
the
got.
assignment.